Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about subscription box business ideas and how you can make money online with them in 2024. Subscription box services have been growing in popularity over the past few years, and they offer a great way to generate income and build a loyal customer base. Step 1. Choose a niche. The first step in starting a subscription box business is to choose a niche that you're passionate about. This could be anything from beauty products to snacks to pet toys. Step 2. Research the competition. Once you have your niche, take some time to research the competition. Look at what other subscription box services are offering in your niche and think about how you can differentiate yourself. Step 3. Create a business plan. Next, create a business plan that outlines your goals, target market, marketing strategy, and budget. Step 4. Source products. Once you have your business plan in place, it's time to source products for your subscription box. You can reach out to brands directly or use wholesalers to find products to include in your boxes. Step 5. Design your box. Design is important in the subscription box business, so take some time to create a visually appealing box that will attract customers. Step 6. Set pricing. Determine how much you will charge for your subscription box and what you will include in each box at different price points. Step 7. Build a website. Create a website for your subscription box business where customers can sign up, learn more about your products, and manage their subscriptions. Step 8. Market your business. Use social media, influencers, and other marketing tactics to promote your subscription box business and attract customers. Step 9. Launch your business. Once everything is in place, officially launch your subscription box business and start accepting orders. Step 10. Fulfill orders. As orders come in, fulfill them by packing and shipping out subscription boxes to your customers. Step 11. Collect feedback. Collect feedback from your customers to improve your products and services. Step 12. Scale your business. If your subscription box business is successful, consider expanding your product line or offering different subscription options to grow your business. Step 13. Partner with other businesses. Partner with other businesses to offer special promotions or exclusive products in your subscription boxes. Step 14. Stay ahead of trends. Keep an eye on industry trends and adjust your subscription box offerings accordingly to stay competitive. Step 15. Stay consistent. Consistency is key in the subscription box business, so make sure to deliver high-quality products and excellent customer service to keep your customers coming back for more. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting a subscription box business and making money online in 2024. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more business tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.